Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon.
Good morning, ma'am.
It's afternoon.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, beta.
मैम
हाँ जी बेटा.
मैम आप हमें म्यूट मत किया करो क्योंकि हम फिर अपने आप को अनम्यूट करके आंसर नहीं दे पाते. हम लोग अपने आप को खुद ही म्यूट
नहीं करते हो ना आप, नहीं करते हो आप.
हम कर लेंगे.
हम कर लेंगे.
हम कर लेंगे.
When I'm explaining, I want pin drop silence, otherwise data will not go to you. खाली बोलने की बात नहीं है बेटा. आपके पास आपको स्क्रीन पे कुछ नजर नहीं आएगा. If we'll all keep your video audio on, nothing will be visible to others. कुछ भी औरों को नजर नहीं आएगा.
मैम जब आप क्वेश्चन करवा रहे होगे तो मत करना.
ठीक है. जब मैम एक्सप्लेन करेंगी.
गुड आफ्टरनून मैम.
गुड आफ्टरनून. जब एक्सप्लेन करेंगी मैम तो प्लीज लिसन वेरी केयरफुली. और जब मैम बोलेंगी कॉपी करना शुरू करो, क्वेश्चंस करेंगे तब आप कॉपी करेंगे. उससे पहले सिर्फ सुनेंगे ध्यान से मैम की बात.
गुड मॉर्निंग मैम.
गुड मॉर्निंग बेटा. गुड आफ्टरनून. You listen very carefully to me. What I am explaining you. What I am explaining you, you have to listen very carefully. Otherwise, you won't be able to do the questions. If you will not listen carefully, what teacher is teaching you, what are the concepts of the chapter, you can't do the questions. You can't do the questions. The questions you are going to attempt will be wrong then. You will be doing them wrong. Hurry up, beta. Ananya, Vinayak, Saksham, Sani.
Good afternoon ma'am.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon ma'am.
Good afternoon, beta.
Ma'am, what is the topic for today?
Chapter number 3. Factors and playing with numbers. Topic chapter name is playing with numbers. And
Good afternoon ma'am.
Good afternoon. Some topics will be covering are factors and multiples.
Good afternoon ma'am.
Good afternoon. We'll be covering factors and multiples today. We'll be doing factors
Okay,
and
ma'am.
multiples.
Ma'am, it's the new chapter now.
It's a new chapter.
Yes. Okay ma'am. Good morning ma'am.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Good morning ma'am.
Good afternoon, beta.
Good afternoon ma'am.
Good afternoon, beta. Good afternoon. Hurry up, children. I can see 30 children right now. Only 30. See, this happens when you say don't put a sound off, audio off. This happens in the class. I hope you all can hear each other's sound very easily.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon, children. I can see 32 children. I just count out name of the children.
33.
33. Please, that's why I don't want you to unmute you people. Everybody start speaking. Let me just speak out the names of the children who are absent, who are not present right now. Taraksh, Ronak, Nivedita, Navya, Lakshika, Kashvi, Kabir, Gunjan, Gar, Chesna, Chehek, Aditya Arora. These many, they are all not here. I hope I have not taken out the name of the child who is here. And put your videos on, audios off. Now, we'll start with chapter number 3, playing with numbers, and the subtopic today I am going to teach you is factors and multiples. Many of you must be knowing it because we have done in lower classes, but still we will recapitulate each and every part. And I will tell you from where to copy. Right now you will only listen to me and look at the PPT very carefully. मैम बताएंगी कहाँ से आपको लिखना स्टार्ट करना है. Now children, you all can see a PPT. Viraj is coming now. Viraj, you entered earlier also, I think. Hanji, Vinayak, are you able to see the PPT?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, let me start explaining you the PPT. Name of the chapter is, as I told you, the name of the chapter is Playing with Numbers. And what all you are going to learn after this class? After this class, you will be able to understand the meaning of who all are here. Nivedita. My God, this way they keep on disturbing our class. Please come in time. By the end of this module, my children will be able to recapitulate the meaning of factors and multiples. Factors क्या होते हैं और multiples क्या होते हैं आपको समझ आएगा. Viraj, why have you raised the hand? Let me just see what happened to Viraj. हाँ जी बोलो विराज. Viraj, you want to say something? Viraj wanted to say something. Viraj wanted to say something. Viraj.
Ma'am, you have to write this.
No, I told you very clearly, you will start writing when I'll tell you to write. So don't disturb me in between like this. I'll tell you when to start writing. Just listen to me carefully. Right now I am only explaining you. You'll also understand the relation between factors and multiples and their properties. And you will also learn how to find the factors and multiples of given numbers. Now let's just recapitulate जो हम पहले कर चुके हैं. Aditya Soni is in our class. Yes. Ramesh has 6 square
yes.
mats. Just listen to me. Suppose Ramesh has 6 square mats and he wants to arrange them in a rows such that each row has same number of square mats. What are the different possibilities? Let us see. One is this way. He can arrange them like this: 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1 in 6 rows. Next possibility can be he can arrange like this: 2, 2, 2, 2, 3 times. Third possibility can be he can arrange in 3, 3, 3. And fourth can be like horizontally, he can place all 6 together.
Ma'am, you have to write this.
No. Now conclusion is that from these arrangements we learned that 6 can be equal to 1 into 6, 6 can be equal to 2 into 3, 6 can be equal to 3 into 2, 6 can be equal to 6 into 1. Now these 2 and 3, these 3 and 2, they are exact divisor of 6. You can see 2 and 3 are exact divisor of 6. And 1 and 6 are also exact divisor of 6. Naman is in our class. He is coming so late. Naman. Do we have Naman in our class?
Ma'am, no.
Ma'am, yes.
Ma'am is Saksham. Ma'am is Saksham.
But Saksham has already entered, I think. I saw Saksham.
मैम वो डिस्कनेक्ट हो गया.
Okay. Then you can say 1, 2, 3, 6 are the factors of 6. This is a way we are going to find out the factors of 6. This is the way we are going to learn how to find factors of a given number. This is a very simple example I have given. अभी हम एग्जाम क्लास की नोटबुक के बुक के आपके क्वेश्चन एनसीईआरटी के क्वेश्चंस भी करेंगे इसकी हेल्प से. देन आई विल टेल यू टू स्टार्ट राइटिंग, नॉट now. So we can say factors of a number is an exact divisor of that number. You can write this line. Write this line. Write this line. Wait. Factors of a number. Factors of.
Ma'am, what is the heading?
Factors. Factors of a number is an exact divisor.
Ma'am, done.
Yes, Aditya, what do you want?
Ma'am, done.
Just to tell done, you have raised your hand. Not like this. Just to say the word done, you disturbed the whole class. This was the reason I didn't want you to mute you people, unmute you people. And you have changed the settings also. Aditya, you have changed the settings of your system. You will not change the settings on your own. And I will not read any kind of chat in between the class. Write down this sentence. Factors of a number is an exact divisor of that number.
I'm done.
Have you written?
Ma'am, yes. Yes.
Lot of disturbance is coming. Lot of disturbance. It's difficult to teach this way. Put your audios off. Put your audios off. No disturbance should come from the back. Now, factors are the numbers that are multiplied to get a product. A factor is a number that exactly divides another number without leaving a remainder. There is no remainder. Like here. No, don't write. 12 can be written as 2 into 6. अगर मैं 12 को 2 into 6 लिख सकती हूँ, इसका मतलब 2 और 6 factors हैं. 2 and 6 are the factors of 12. And 12 is a multiple of its factors 2 and 6. 12 is a multiple of its factors 2 and 6. Now let's learn. This you will start writing. All of you start writing now. This is the exercise. We are starting with 3.1. Exercise 3.1. All of you start writing. All of you start writing.
Ma'am, what we have to write after heading?
Exercise 3.1. Question. Find all factors of 12. Find all factors of 12.
Ma'am, it is question 1.
Question or
Question.
Ma'am, what is the exercise?
3.1.
Ma'am, please repeat the question.
Can't you see on the screen? You can't see the question?
मैम ऊपर एग्जांपल आ रहा है फाइंड ऑल फैक्टर ऑफ 18 उसके अलावा और कुछ नहीं आ रहा.
यही तो क्वेश्चन है. दिस इज द क्वेश्चन.
मैम आपने भी क्वेश्चन बोला तो आपने नंबर अभी 12 बोला था.
18,
Ma'am,
18.
written all the factors
12 का
of
तो एग्जाम्पल दिया था आपको हमने, निकालना आपको 18 का है। 12 का एग्जाम्पल दिया था, निकालना 18 का है।
all of it.
Now let's see. This is the way of doing it. 1 into 18, 2 into 9. Kabir is also entering late. 1 into 18, 2 into 9, 3 into 6. Let's see. Can we find 4 into something as 18? Somebody will tell me. Can we find?
No,
No.
4 is not multiple
No.
of 18.
Virat, bolo. Harjat, bolo.
I was
No.
ma'am no. Ma'am no.
Because it is not a multiple of, that is why it is not a factor of it.
4 is not a factor of 18. 18 does not come in the table of 4. 18 does not come in the table of 4. Okay? This is the problem. You all were saying, don't unmute us, don't mute us. This is the problem. I can't tolerate indiscipline in my class. Kabir, you joined very late. Kabir, you joined very late. Now let's see. And when I multiply, I also checked 5 के table में भी नहीं आता 18. So,
Ma'am, because 5 is not the factor of 18.
and 6, 3 is repeat and stop. 6, 3 आने पर हमको stop हो जाना है. हमको stop हो जाना है. तो we are done. तो हमारा आंसर सिर्फ इतना ही होगा जितना ऊपर मैम ने किया है. 1 into 18, 2 into 9, 3 into 6. So factors आ गए हमारे 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, 18. Have you all written?
Ma'am, yes.
Write down, children. Please write down. Factors of 18 are 1, 2, 3,
Ma'am, done.
6, 9, 18.
Ma'am, done.
Very good.
Ma'am, you can repeat again.
Can't you see on the screen? It's written on the screen. So we don't need to write these. We have to write till here only. 1 into 18, 2 into 9, 3 into 6. So factors will also be 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, 18.
मैम आपने जो 4 और 5 का लिया है मैंने वो भी लिख दिया.
कोई बात नहीं, समझाने के लिए था, वो आप काट देना ऐसे जैसे मैम ने कट किया है. ठीक है, हम आपको चेक करके बता रहे थे कि that there 18 does not come in the table of 4 and 18 does not come in the table of 5. Okay, can we move to the next question? Harjat, can we move to the next question?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, please move.
Okay.
Yes.
Now let's
Excuse
do.
me, ma'am.
हाँ जी.
Ma'am, we use different ways to find the factors of 18. First, we will do this way, then we will do the other ways.
Let's see. Let's see. One more part. One more part. Find all the factors of. Dharya, put your hand down. Dharya, put your hand down. This is disturbing the class. Yes. Find or write the second question. Second part. Question number 1 के parts चल रहे हैं ये. Find all the factors of 12. Let's see. 1 into 12, 2 into 6, 3 into 4, then 4 into 3 comes, we stop. We stop. So the factors are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12. So the factors of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4,
Ma'am, I have done.
6, and 12. Is there anybody who has problem? He or she can raise his hand if anybody has any problem. He or she can raise his hand if anybody has any problem, or if you allow me, I can give you one more part.
Ma'am, please wait.
Karo, karo, karo. Aradhna, have you done?
Ma'am, yes.
Dharvi, Shaurya Nagpal, Divyansh.
I'm
Don't
done.
write anything in chat. Please focus on the question. I will not read any chat at this moment. Do not write any chat. I'll remove the chat box from tomorrow. Krishnendu, have you written? Krishnendu, have you written?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Rehan Baba, have you written?
Yes, ma'am.
Once you have answered me, please put your audio off back. Kabir, have you written? Kabir, have you written this part? Kabir, have you written?
4, 3.
Now let's move to the next part. Can I move to the next part? Who is this? Aditya. Mute yourself, children. Mute yourself. 10 times in the class now, I'll keep on saying mute yourself. Next, factors. Now we will start with more. Next part. Likho jaldi se. Right. Find all the factors of 21. Find all the factors of 21. Please put your videos on, and you're supposed to be in your school uniform. I cannot see Aradhya in uniform, Dharya not in uniform, Samarth not in uniform. That's why others are also switched their videos off. Because
Ma'am,
you're
I
in
am-
school uniform.
I am at my nanny's place, so ma'am, I am not wearing my uniform because it is at my head.
Okay, fine. That I read, I remember. Next karo, bachche jaldi se karo. Find all the factors of 12. Find all the factors of 12.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, it's 21. Ma'am, it's 20.
2, it doesn't go by
Ma'am,
2.
Ma'am,
3 sevens are 4 से भी नहीं जाता, 5 से भी नहीं जाता, 6 से भी नहीं जाता, 7 threes are, we have to stop. 7 threes are 21. We have to repeat, whenever repeat comes, we have to stop. So the factors are 1, 3, 7 and 21. Samarth likho beta.
Ma'am, I have written. You have to do all the parts of this question.
Virat, you're so worried. जो कर रहे हैं पहले वो करो. Why are you worried?
I also
अभी जितने करवा रहे हैं वो करो. जो बचेंगे वो होमवर्क में करना. Let me go for the next part.
Ma'am, please wait.
Okay. I'm waiting. Kabir, have you noted down? Kabir, you're not responding. Will not respond. The child will not respond. I'll remove the child from the class.
Ma'am, yes, I have written.
So why were you not responding? 4 or 5 times I've asked you. Put your videos on, children. I want to see you people writing. And next week again I'm going to take test from chapter 2. There also you have to put your videos on, otherwise test will not continue. Lasmia, you're not in school uniform. Yes. Let me see 2 more parts. Should I move next?
Ma'am, yes.
Factors. Find all the factors of 24. Find all the factors of 24. 1 24s are, 2 12s are, 3 8s are, 4 6s are, 5 into, no, it doesn't go by 5. And 6 into 4, repeat and stop. We have to repeat, whenever repetition comes, we have to stop. So the factors are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8,
12 and
12,
24.
and 24. Put your audios off, children, if you're not answering me. If I have not asked any question from you. Put yourself on mute mode, otherwise I'll put you on mute mode.
15 या 20. 38 हो रहे हैं.
अब तो 12 से लगाना 15 से
ना हाँ.
तो क्या टाइम 20 मिनट तो हो गए होंगे कब के.
Who is this? Who is this? That's why I was not allowing you.
देवा.
Sony.
And children, you will not tell the teacher what is to be done. Let the teacher decide what is to be done. Now, should I move to the next part?
Ma'am, please wait. Yes. Ma'am, please move.
I am just moving to the next part. I'll send you the PPT also. You can refer if anything is left out. Now, how to write factors again? Factors of 48. 1 into 48, 2 into 24, 3 into 16, 4 into 12, 6 into 8. We can write like this. 6 8s are 4, 3 16s are, 2 24s are, and 1 48s are. So the factors are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, 16, 24, 48. Were you all able to find the factors of 48?
Yes, ma'am.
Factors of 48. Should I move to the next slide?
Yes.
Now I'll discuss few properties of factors. Properties are very important. Properties are very important. Listen to them. 1, don't write, just listen. 1 is a factor of every number. Put your audios off, children. Audios off. 1 is a factor of every number. Every number is a factor of itself.
These properties.
No बेटा मैंने बोला तो नहीं लिखना. सुनो. Understand them. Questions can come in the paper based on these. Every factor is an exact divisor of that number. Every factor is less than or equal to the given number. मतलब 12 का फैक्टर निकालना है तो वो 12 से बड़ा नहीं हो सकता. It has to be either 12 or less than 12.
अरे वो मेरा है.
Number of factors of given number are finite. Number of factors of a given number. What do you mean by word finite? Who will tell me finite?
Ma'am, can I tell?
Uncountable.
Uncountable.
Ma'am, countable.
That's
Ma'am,
countable.
finite is countable and infinite is uncountable.
Countable उनको हम गिन सकते हैं.
Uncountable and finite is
Very good. This is the way class goes when I unmute you people. This is the way class goes. Harjap, you want to say something? Nobody will speak without my permission. Harjap, you want to say something?
Finite means limited.
Finite means which can be counted. My God, I can't teach this class. I have to put your audios off. Very good. This way only I can teach this class. Number of factors I have told you finite. Next. Next is the multiples. Just hurriedly see the, what do you mean by multiples? A multiple is obtained by multiplying a given number by counting numbers such as 1, 2, 3, 4 like this. A number is a multiple of each of its factors like this. 5 into 4 is equal to 20. So we can say factor of 20 is 5. Factor of 20 is 4, but 20 is a multiple of 5, 20 is a multiple of 4. Let's learn how to find multiples now. This is to be written. आपने लिखना है ये. List the multiples of 4. Write down, children. List the multiples. I feel as if I'm talking to dummies. I can't teach this way if you keep your videos off. So difficult to teach. I'm teaching the boxes, not the people. List the multiples of 4. Virat, what happened? Why did you raise your hand? Yes, bolo.
This is the question number 2.
My God. Hanji. Question number 2. List the multiples of 4. Let's see. 4 into 1, 4 into 2, 4 into 3, 4 into 4, 4 into 5. We have to write here only 5, 6, 5, so that we can stop here. Otherwise, it keeps on going. In this question, we were supposed to write only till 5. So it means multiples are infinite. इस पार्ट में आपको सिर्फ 5 मल्टीपल्स निकालने थे, तो मल्टीपल्स यहीं तक आएंगे. Copy down, please. Note down, and if you have query, you can raise your hand. So all of you are able to find multiples and factors both. There, have you written?
Ma'am, yes.
Hiral, have you written?
Ma'am, yes.
Very good. So I'll keep only those children on my screen who will be in uniform, whose videos are on. Otherwise, I'll remove those children who are not in, who will not keep their videos on. Now next. Ekam has raised. Ekam. Where is Ekam? Let me see Ekam. Anji Ekam, yes.
Ma'am, I don't have the uniform.
Okay. But still you have to keep your video on. I want to see you people writing. Yes, children. These are counting numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have to multiply. जिसका भी multiple निकालना है उसको आपने counting number से multiply करना है. So the multiples of 4 are 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, like this. Okay? Is there anybody in the class who has any query in finding multiples? Let me just ask few of you. Krishnendu, any problem in finding multiples?
No, ma'am.
Shaurya Khanna, any problem in finding multiples?
No, ma'am.
Preeti Mehti, Nivedita, any problem? Any problem, children? I am going to remove the children from the next time if I will not find videos on. As simple as this. Yuvraj changes the setting on his own. You cannot unmute him even. Very funny. I'll just talk to the Yuvraj parent today. Aditya Soni. Same with Aditya Soni. I'll talk to the parents today. Aditya, Talukdar, were you able to understand how to find multiples? Aditya?
Ma'am, yes.
Okay, I am just changing the view. I am really unhappy with the class today, the way you people behave. I am really unhappy. I am changing the view. See, we are studying together for more than 1 month has passed. I never said anything to you. But I do not like the way you behave in the class. I want all of your videos on. I am not talking to, I'm not teaching to boxes. I am teaching to students. If my video is on all the time so that I can talk to you, I am not able to connect with you if you are just writing and I am not able to see whether you're writing or not. Like Samarth is moving, somebody is fiddling, somebody is swinging on the chair, not like this. I want everybody to be alert and writing what I am teaching. Is there anybody in the class who has any query? Okay. Harjap, any query?
No, ma'am.
Are you able to understand everything?
Yes, ma'am.
Samarth, Purana, any problem?
No, ma'am.
Shaurya Nagpal, any problem? You need not do anything. I have unmuted you. You don't have to fiddle with anything. Krishti is also showing the symbol that she understood. So, did you all find the class useful?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, you will complete 3.1.
Yes, ma'am.
Till then, goodbye. Take care. Take
Bye,
care.
ma'am.
Goodbye.
Bye, ma'am.